The people knew that climate change is real because some of them can actually see that there are changes. They would tell you that the sun is much hotter, the sea level is rising. Places where once you had beaches and stuff like that, you no longer have it, we lost it. My nickname is Cinderella. My family usually says Cinder. When I was young, I was the one doing all the work at home, cleaning, cooking, and all of that, looking after my brothers and sisters. So if you notice, even now, the name of my school is Cinder's Creativeness Preschool. We started on September 6th, 2004. It was beautiful, it was decorated, the teachers were excited, the children was excited, and I was excited to start a new stage in my life. We heard that Hurricane Ivan was on his way. We know that we weren't safe because very close to the water's edge. But I keep on looking at this patch or clump of mangrove just behind the school. And I saw that it was, taking the brunt of the wind from the building. The wind went on for like most of the afternoon, and the mangrove lost its top, but the school was safe. And from that day, I fell in love with the mangroves.
In a lot of places where you have infrastructure that's threatened, the first response is an engineering response. Okay, the sea is eroding the road, we need to put in a wall. Your beach, your mangroves, your seagrass, your coral reefs, which are also capable of protecting you from the ocean, they provide you with a lot of other services. They provide you with fish, they provide you with sand that builds your beaches. They provide you with a tourism product and recreation. We are working right now a lot on mangrove systems. Mangroves are very tough. They grow in salt water. They can resist the ocean. They're amazing trees.
At the water's edge, it motivates me to go out there and learn more about the environment, about climate change, so that we'll be able to preserve and do better work with our mangrove, so that not only me or members of the community, but the whole of St. Vincent and the Grenadines know how important mangroves are. I have a lot of hope for the mangrove and the ocean, because I plan to motivate my community, starting with the young people of Union Island, and I hope that our future would be brighter with all the young people walking behind me and doing something to make our island a better island.